Hey guys, David here with Project Echo Airsoft and the Minnesota Airsoft Association. I'm here with Patrick of the Night Stalkers. You know what happens after a long day of running a game? That's our game master. He's snoring logs. He's out of it. We're here filming Airsoft After Dark and he goes to bed. What a little baby. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Again, appreciate everybody today for the game. I know he does too. Like, subscribe, comment, follow the Night Stalkers, follow Project Echo, follow the Minnesota Airsoft Association for more updates on the snoring.